for an adventure. This is going to be about a 2 hour and 15-minute adventure is what the GPS says. Going to get a 1952 Chevy pickup truck. It's kind of sight unseen. I've only seen it on Facebook, but going to pick it up right now, and you'll be seeing more of it later. But thought I would categorize or log some of the video here of going to pick it up, and you'll see whenever I get there. I'll go ahead and film it and try to film pulling it up on the trailer and all. This ain't gonna be this won't be a will it run video. You might see that later, but well, you will see that later, but it's not gonna be a will it run right now. So anyway, this is our trip there. It's gonna be a long journey, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Alright, talk to you later. Well, we got the truck loaded up. It was a nightmare, let me tell you. With no front wheels on it. We drug it up on there with the winch. I think I might have trashed my brand new winch. But it served the purpose anyway. Got some good pieces to it. It'll be worth the project. Tailgate's a little shoddy, little crack in it there, but body's pretty good. Fenders need a little love, but it's not too bad. Inside floor is gone. The guy is supposed to be bringing me right now, which is why I'm waiting. He's supposed to be bringing me another hood. It's definitely going to require some work, but I knew that already. That tire is only held on by, I think, one lug nut. That's what the inside the bed looks like. The inside the cab looks like. I do have some glass he said in there. I haven't really looked at it that much, but no steering column. Has the engine. Engine is there, and we'll do a little will it run segment on it later. But anyway, the guy went to get a hood right now. Said he's going to give me this really premium looking hood with it. And he also said that later on this month he's going to be going out past my house. He's going to bring me the transmission, because there's no transmission. Transmission and a steering column. The steering column for the truck, which is really cool if that happens. That would be really, really cool. We'll see if the guy's an honest man like myself and stands up to his word and does it. If he does, that would really impress me. There's the inner wheel well here. The running boards are back here in the back. I took them off because they were just sitting on here. so I didn't want to lose them on the trip. It appears I'm going to need one more support for the running board on that other side. I don't see it in here anywhere. I don't see any place for it to be, really. But I should be able to scarf one up somewhere, because I love them running boards. Anyway, now another 110 miles home, and we'll be good. Well, we just got home with it. Well, not just got home. Just in enough time to make me a little frosty beverage here. Wow, what a long trip. It was like 220 miles round trip. And about 13 hours it took. But she's home. I'm really dying to find out about this engine, see if this engine will will turn over. I don't know if it's stuck. It's got a modern looking alternator on it, but I don't know when the last time it was run. I have no idea. The guy told me somebody stole the grill. I think they stole the radiator too. I know the radiator's gone, but yeah, it needs some work. But she's pretty solid. A lot of surface rust. There's a little dent in it right there that looks like it got smacked pretty good. So that fender's not intact. I lost my beauty ring on the way coming home, and I had my son get out. I pulled over as soon as I noticed it. Of course, I had no telling how long it had been gone. And pulled over as soon as I noticed, and I had him check the trailer real quick, and lo and behold, he come back with it. So I didn't really lose it. This one here that I didn't really care if it got lost or not, it stayed on there. But I'm gonna have to eventually get a new one of them. That bumper looks pretty straight. Look at that. It's got the old-timey bolts in there, the square-headed bolts. Guy did say it was the original motor. He said that he never titled it, because he never had a title, but he said he was the second owner of it. I got a hood. He gave me an extra hood with it. He said this hood was perfect. That one, the hood that's on it now, has a little bit of a dent in it, and so that's the hood that I was waiting on when I was filming my last video. Looks like it needs a little bit of trim work in front. Don't know what you would call that, but hood looks in pretty decent shape. I'm gonna have to get me 2 more wheels to put on the front to roll this thing off, and I'm not really even sure if the wheels are connected on this thing, if it has tie rods. It has one tie rod, but something is missing there. Whatever goes to that piece. Oh, that probably goes to the gearbox. The gearbox is probably missing on it. Well, I'll get more into this thing in future videos. And oh, I thought I lost my other bracket, but Apparently I had this bracket, or it's just not on there. Or is that this may not be the bracket I was thinking about. That's another bracket or something else. Not sure. But this bracket right here is not on the other side. It doesn't have it, so I'm gonna have to get me another one. Not sure where I'm gonna source it at, but when I put them running boards back on, I'm gonna need one for sure, because I definitely want them running boards on there. The guy told me that it would look better without the fenders on there, but I love them fenders. Them fenders are what gives it the character I think it needs. And I really don't care if they're rusty or dented up or not. I think it's cool. I think it's all cool. So anyway, this is the old 52. At least he thinks it was a 52. I don't know. I don't know enough about them to distinguish, and I'm also going to have to figure out where the VIN numbers and all that are. But anyhow, I'm pretty stoked about getting it. Pretty stoked. So we'll see where this adventure takes me. Until next time, thank you for watching Double Trouble Garage, and tune in again for next time. We'll have a Will It Run type video. I don't know how long that'll be. I don't know if I'm going to do it on the trailer or if I'm going to wait to get some wheels to put underneath it so I can get it off easier. Boy, it was a bear dragging this sucker on there. I think I trashed my winch. I got that little piece of plastic right here got pretty chewed up. So I don't know. Still working though, so I'm gonna keep using it, whatever. But anyway, till next time, thank you for watching Double Trouble Garage. See ya.